I should be over all the butterflies. I'm into you, and baby, even all the worst.
'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, of course, I'm going to be talking about this wig that I have on my head. It is a glueless, yes, another glueless wig. I am just loving these glueless wigs. I'm just going to tell y'all the truth. Been real busy lately, so these glueless wigs are just so convenient. And this one today is from, I'm going to mess up their name, Dorsanee. The name's gonna be in the title and link, and all the information that I'm about to give you is gonna be down in the description box, so just check there. But they sent me, y'all know, my favorite freaking texture, #1 favorite, kinky straight and 26 inches on a 4x4 lace closure wig. This wig, as you guys are about to see, it only had one comb, it had adjustable strap, it did not have an elastic band. I love the adjustable elastic bands that normally come with these closure wigs or glueless wigs. So I really wish that this one had it, but it's an easy fix. You can just quickly sew one in yourself. But the wig is still very snug on my head because I took advantage of the adjustable straps at the end of this wig. I put it on the tightest, so it is very snug on my head. It does not have any combs right here. The only comb is in the back. One comb. And I'm not mad about that because I said in a previous video that the combs right here, you have to be careful because it puts tension on your hair, which can lead to your hair falling out, especially if you have fine hair. So you just have to be mindful of that. So I did have to prep this wig. This isn't a ready to wear and go wig. You do have to cut the lace. You have to pluck this wig. It was nothing major. I've been doing it. You guys have seen me do it plenty of times. I did put my concealer in the parting space. I used my jacked up bedhead wax stick to lay down the flyaways because there was quite a bit of flyaways, but it's an easy fix. I used my, what is this called? Dang, hot comb. Yeah, I used my hot comb. It is in my Amazon storefront, and I used my flat iron just to like lightly flat iron because I didn't want this like super bone straight because, like I said, I really freaking love this texture. I love how big it is. I love just how coarse it is. So I didn't want to really flat iron it that much, but that's my preference. So if you wanted to, you could get this even more straight. Anything that I forgot to mention, I'm gonna leave down in the comment section, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, girl, and I will talk to y'all in the next one. Bye.
I should be over all the butterflies. I'm into you, and baby, even all the worst nights, I'm into you, baby. And I wonder how we got this far, 'cause I don't really need to wonder at all. And all this time I'm still.